Hey guys, we received this portable endoscopic camera for test and try. As you can see, this is the endoscopic camera, means it can attach to your mobile and it's a flexible cable that can go inside any difficult place and you can capture the image from that space. Say under the bed, if you want to see something, you can put this camera in and you can record the video and see the visuals from this camera. So this comes in a nice box, as you can see, comes with all the accessories like different attachments and the camera setting, like the angle for the difficult place, and also like the different things. So say this is a adapter for changing it to lightning cable or any other thing. So let me just open this, have a long cable so it can go to a different distant place where you can record your videos. So flexible cable, and this is the attachment. So this is the USB-C initially, and then these adapters can be used to convert it to lightning cable or any other thing. This is the camera. So the camera also have the lights that I will show you the later on part. So these are the camera angle. If you want to change it, like you can use this to have a different angle of the view through that small mirror and the attachments here. So basically, I will say this all get a better, you know, content or the accessories that you can use this camera properly. So this is my iPhone, and I'm putting this lightning cable in here, and then you can just adjust. You need a app to control this camera. So here is the app. I installed this app, and you can see that it have this light thing, and you can control this light. So overall, a nice camera.